सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को गुजरे हुए करीबन 2 महीना हो चुका है, लेकिन अब भी उनके प्रशंसक और उनसे जुड़े हुए लोग उनकी मौत के गम से नहीं उभर पाए हैं। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को न्याय मिले, इस हेतु लोग अपनी आवाज उठाते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। कई लोगों ने इस मामले की कार्रवाई सीबीआई करे, इस चीज की मांग भी रखी है। अभी कुछ दिन पहले सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के पिता के सिंह ने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की गर्लफ्रेंड रिया चक्रवर्ती के खिलाफ पटना में एफआईआर दर्ज की। तभी से पटना पुलिस मुंबई में आकर रिया चक्रवर्ती के साथ तहकीकात करना चाह रही है। अब रिया चक्रवर्ती एक नया खुलासा करते हुए नजर आ रही हैं। क्या है वो खुलासा, चलिए इस वीडियो में जानते हैं। The case of Sushant Singh Rajput's mysterious death is getting murkier by the day. In a shocking turn of events, Sushant Singh Rajput's family appointed lawyer Vikas Singh has made some explosive revelations about Riya Chakraborty. While the family has filed an FIR against the actress on account of abetment to suicide, theft and cheating, now the lawyer has come out in the open to share details of a rather disturbing episode that took Sushant's and his family members' life by a huge storm. कुछ ऐसा हुआ जिससे कि काफी लोगों की जिंदगी पर असर दिखा। Speaking to a leading portal, the lawyer narrates the story from the very beginning. Vikas Singh says, Riya Chakraborty and Sushant Singh Rajput met for the first time on April 14, 2019 at a common friend's party. When she came over to his place on 15th April when Sushant's sister Priyanka Singh and her husband were already there at his Bandra residence and were planning to leave for Pauna farmhouse. Riya met all of them and she also went along with them to Pauna farmhouse and decided to stay over that night. Next day in the afternoon, Sushant dropped her in Mumbai and came back to Pauna farmhouse in evening. On April 18th, 19th intervening night, she insisted on coming to Sushant's house at Capri Heights and reached at around 1 am and insisted on having drinks and also got everyone else to join in. They all stayed up till late in the night before they retired to their rooms. Riya spent the night in Sushant's room. He further goes on to add, on 19th, Priyanka and her husband had to leave for Delhi, but Sushant requested Priyanka to stay back for a few more days, saying that he would also accompany her to Delhi. So Priyanka's flight ticket was cancelled at the last moment while her husband left for Delhi. On 19th evening itself, Sushant wrote a beautiful emotional letter for Priyanka when Riya was also present there. Next day, that is on April 28, 2019, Riya invited Sushant and Priyanka on her brother Shouvik Chakraborty's birthday party. Since it was already 10 to 12 in the night and both Priyanka and Sushant were tired, Sushant said he would rather go off to sleep than Riya insisted Priyanka that she should come and herself did Priyanka make up for the event. Riya insisted Priyanka that she should create a WhatsApp group which had the 4 of them as members. When they reached the venue, Priyanka wished her brother, but he stated it's not his birthday that day, but they are celebrating on that night and they partied together. Priyanka realized that Riya used Sushant's credit cards to pay for the party in the end. From the party, Riya also came back to Sushant's house while Priyanka went on to sleep. Sushant and Riya were talking. दिखने में ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो लोग एक दूसरे के साथ काफी कंफर्टेबल हो चुके हैं। उनका बॉन्ड काफी अच्छा बन चुका था, लेकिन उसके बाद वाली सुबह को जो होता है उसको देखकर सभी लोग चौंक जाते हैं। विकास ने बताया, The next morning, that is 21st April 2019, by the time Priyanka woke up, Riya wasn't there and Sushant was extremely angry. Riya told Sushant the earlier night after the birthday party that her sister Priyanka tried to take advantage of her and molest her on the intervening night of 18th and 19th April at Sushant's residence. Sushant believed Riya and had an altercation with his sister Priyanka, and Priyanka couldn't even believe that Sushant would get manipulated this way, but she wanted peace and vacated the apartment. Once she reached Delhi and told her husband about it, her husband told her that what happened was not correct as he was also there in the intervening night of 18th-19th April 2019 and reasoned it out with Sushant directly through WhatsApp messages, but Sushant wasn't ready to listen. सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का परिवार रिया चक्रवर्ती के बर्ताव से बुरी तरीके से चौंक चुका था। लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा चौंकाने वाली बात ये थी कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की पूरी जिंदगी पर उसका अब काबू था। सुशांत वही करता जो रिया कहती। इतना ही नहीं, धीरे धीरे एक एक करके रिया चक्रवर्ती सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को अपने परिवार वालों से दूर कर रही थी। सुशांत was the closest to her sister Priyanka, and in one day their relationship suffered a deep crack. Post that incident, they didn't talk for months till November 2019 when Sushant called Priyanka and said sorry in a broken tone and asked her to visit him ASAP. That was the time when he also gave an SOS to his eldest sister Rani Di. Next day, all the three sisters reached Mumbai to bring him to Chandigarh. It was then that Sushant asked Riya why she accused her sister and why she insisted on taking Priyanka to her brother's birthday party if Priyanka allegedly misbehaved with her, and why did she not disclose about the said alleged incident for 2 days, that is from 18th night till 21st April. Then Sushant realized his mistake, and after saying sorry, he settled the issues with Priyanka. He realized his mistake that in a short span of few days, Riya had played a mind game to separate two siblings who were inseparable and happened to be each other's strongest emotional support. इतना कह के फैमिली लॉयर ने अपनी बातें खत्म की। इन मुद्दों के बारे में आपकी क्या सोच है और इस वीडियो के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है, लिख भेजिए हमें कमेंट सेक्शंस में। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मनोरंजन जगत की सारी न्यूज़ और अपडेट से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें टेली चक्कर को।
All about the Tele world by subscribing to Tele Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.